Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to make chicken, the KFC style chicken. And here we have the whole of our chicken here. I have sour milk, I have grinded ginger and garlic. I also have paprika and black pepper and salt. Now here I'll start by mixing everything here. I'll first marinate it. I'll just give it a period of 30 minutes to 20 to 30 minutes, and then after that we proceed. Now from here I'm going to add my grinded garlic and then the ginger. I'll just put everything inside here and then I'll mix it. And then paprika, black pepper, even when you do not want to use the sour milk, you can just keep it and use lemon juice. And then I'll add cumin, and then salt to taste, and then I'll first mix this one. I'll just mix everything here so that all the ingredients to penetrate through the chicken. Sorry. It's all mixed, and then lastly I'm going to put the sour milk, maziwa lala. Okay, now I'm going to cover it and marinate it in a period of 20 to 30 minutes, and then from there we proceed. Cover with the filling. All covered. Give it a period of 20 to 30 minutes for the marination process. Okay, now the marination is now over, and then from here I've taken my all-purpose flour. Now I'm going to mix with these ingredients. I'm going to use paprika, black pepper, and cumin to coat the KFC style chicken. I'll add paprika in this all-purpose flour, and then I'll add black pepper. And then lastly I'm going to add cumin. I'll also add the salt to taste. these ingredients. This is for the coats, and we'll be coating the chicken. I'll take the chicken, cover it with the flour. And then I'll dip it in this water. Then return it here. This is well coated. Take another one until I finish all the pieces. Instead of using water, again you can also use milk. When you dip it here, you can also use milk if you prefer milk. Then you return it here, coat it well. And then I dip it here. Remove with the other hands, and then I coat it. Okay, now I'm done with coating the chicken, and from here I'm going to dip them in the hot oil. My oil is already hot, and I'll just take piece after piece, and then I'll be putting it. Until it turns to golden brown, that's when I'll be turning it. Just like that. And now the chicken is ready. I'm removing it. As you can see, the top coat is all well cooked. Now the chicken is now ready. As you can see, it is all well cooked. You can be able to try the recipe. You'll be able to get the same results. Till next time, kindly subscribe, share, comment, like. Till next time, bye.